Hey everyone, I'm back with another unboxing video. So right here is my Rollerblade Zetra Elite skate. This is what I purchased and unboxed in 2020. This is more of a recreational skate, beginner skate. I got this because I was getting back into skating, having not skated in so long, so I got this skate to, get me back into it. And I like it. Definitely a cool skate, especially for beginners and even intermediate skaters. But I wanted to upgrade. Just want to let you know that these wheels, the front wheel and the back wheel, did not come with the skates. The two middle wheels are the stock skate wheels. I changed these. So let's unbox my new skates. I ordered these skates from Inline Warehouse. These are also rollerblades. And this is the RB Cruiser. This is the women's version. This is their 2022 skates. This is for beginners and intermediate skaters. This can also be used for recreational and urban skating. So it's just the two skates and the user's manual or technical manual. So a couple tools in here, as well as extra shoelaces. I really like the color. Gives me the Miami vibe. It's a heavier skate. This is metal. This is plastic. This is a hard shell. And the lining comes out. This lining does not come out. This lining is attached to the skate. I really like this. What else? Oh yeah, they're supposed to be shock absorbent. So for those of you who are skating in urban areas, shouldn't feel, the bumps as much when you're skating. On the Zetra Elite, I took my back wheel, the brake off. And you can remove it with the tools that they provide. I'm going to keep this on for now, but I will probably end up removing them. I like this. I like this a lot. It feels sturdy. Yeah. Oh, I paid $169 for these. And like I said, they do have a men's version of these. I don't know. It is a different color. Black shell, but different color lining and shoelaces. I want to say it's red, black, and white. Don't hold me to it. But there are some videos. And if you go to Rollerblade's website or if you go to Inline Warehouse's website, you'll see them. But yeah, I will definitely make another video, let you know how I like them. So far, like I said, I really like the aesthetic of it, but bump all that. I want to see how they feel. So I'll let everyone know. But yeah, this is my unboxing video of the RB Cruisers. All right, peace out.